Welcome back to oh, there we go. Welcome back to the Black Nuzlocke. I just got done recording a couple episodes of Clover. Let's see if I remember correctly. Next part we're on to is the gym. We got Nibbles, we got Watt, and now to the gym we go. Oh, right, gotta go to the trainer school. Hello, Mr. Man. Hello, you. No, talk to me, please. Talk to me. Talk to me. What are you? I really hope no one fights me, because I'm just not ready. These following items cures poison antidote. Next question. Cures paralysis. Which of the following items wakes up people from sleep? Awakening. I got a full heal. Sweet. How about you? What do you give me? I really hope I don't have to fight you. Alright, Cheren. Let's go. Okay, sure. Let's see how different items are. How well I can battle without items. Anyway, let's battle without getting too rough. Alright, Cheren. Alright, this will be nice practice before the gym. Hopefully. He's got a Snivy, right? Level 8. Oh yeah, I can beat that with no problem. Even if he does use the grass move. Oh, I forgot I didn't heal. I should have healed. Show me your moves. I'll show you my moves. Don't you worry about that. He had an oranberry. How crafty. Oh, okay. I was getting worried that he was gonna attack soon. Alright, well, I shouldn't stay in for this. So I'm just gonna switch out real quick. And then Nibbles can take care of this. Aha! I knew what you were planning. I refuse to let you win. Alright, I think I can take maybe one more. You know, assuming he doesn't crit. Alright, Nibbles. There we go. I'm sorry for if I don't talk too much this episode. I just got done recording Clover and I'm just not in the mood. Alright, Snivy's done. Now it's time for Purloin. Ooh. I don't need to heal. See what I tell you. What I tell you. And I am in such a winning streak. Oh, he gave me berries. Thank you, Cheren. I love you. Alright, to the Pokemon Center, which is what I should have done beforehand. And then probably buy some more potions. Yeah, I'll buy 2 more potions. What's next? You? Let's do this. Challenge in that case. What was the first Pokemon you chose? Oshawott. I see. Weak against grass. Try Pokemon Dream Yard. Please excuse me now. What? Alright, I mean, he told me to go to the Dream Yard. I think I'm gonna get some training in. Nibbles it is. Nibbles it is. Nibbles can do this. Okay. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use the switch in and out method. I should be able to take care of this, no problem. And there we go. Right. I have it set to set, which means that whenever I defeat a Pokemon in a trainer battle, it will not ask me to switch out. Yeah, I will just stick with the Pokemon I have, and they will just switch automatically, which does make the game a bit more interesting. Maybe like I had that originally set for my Pokemon Clover playthrough, but then I changed it. I might change it back. Who knows? Hello, you. No, don't talk to me, please. I can do this. My Nibbles is stronger than your Nibbles. Our Nibbles, don't fail me now. You can do this. I did it. Now I'm level 8. Ew. Wide. Alright, that's about my signal to switch out. I'm not dealing with the defense drop. Who knows how much damage he could do. Besides, it's good to have like one Pokemon that's like really high level. Hello, Lillipup. We meet again. And there we have it. Right, you give me stuff. This is a static encounter. The way I treat static encounters for when I do a Nuzlocke is that I will take them, I will nickname them, but I won't use them. I'm gonna name you Cinder. Because it fits the whole fire aesthetic. Into the PC you go, Cinder. I'm not a fan of static encounters. If I don't catch the Pokemon, I don't consider it. I don't count it. Alright, well, to the gym. Alright, I should probably heal up Nibbles. And so it's such a nice day out today. Hello, Mr. Man. You're gonna give me stuff? Cool. Fresh water. I like that. You. Can I buy anything out of you? No? What is the point? What even is the point? No, stop it. Or actually, you know what? I could use some grinding. Alright, let's do this. Waiter Maxwell. Ooh, so fancy. I mean, I'll bite. Why not? Okay, okay. This dude's level 11. Maybe I'll just do some grinding after this, just to make sure I'm actually on par with all of this. Should move be deleted and learned and placed with focus energy? No. Yeah, I'm just gonna grind. I'll make sure to cut it out of the video. And we're back. Yeah. Noticeable difference. I trained up Nibbles up to level 12, so he should be all right to face off against the gym leader. First, you. Wait. Using bite. Yeah. I think I'm pretty. I think I'm off to a pretty good start. Some would say over leveling as maybe cheating, but I prefer to think of it as making sure you don't lose. Because I would like to win a Nuzlocke for once. I should probably give my Pokemon berries beforehand. Now I am ready. What if I want to battle you? No? Okay, guess I have to battle you then. I'll challenge you from behind. He won't let me. He knows. He knows the strats. I like how his eyes aren't like filled in. Like it's just green, and then instead of his eyes having white, it's just like regular skin colored. Almost like his eyes are like bloodshot or something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be winning this. Ooh, sand attack. Definitely worth. So worth. can increase your attack all you want, but it means nothing if you don't hit. Hell yeah. That's right. Miss all your attacks. Oh no. Oh no. That wasn't good. That wasn't good at all. I might just look. I'm gonna lower his defense. Make sure he doesn't get anything. Oh boy. Close calls. Dude, if he ever hits me with like a crit, I'm done for. As long as he doesn't get to me, I'm fine. That's fine. Use a potion all you want. I'm the one who's gonna walk out of here victorious. And there we have it, Nibbles for the win. Good boy, Nibbles. You did good. Damn right you couldn't beat me. I'm the Nuzlocke King. Man, I love these series so much. Team workup. I guess I could use it at some point. I don't want to follow you. Take me into some weird dungeon or something. I guess I have to follow you, don't I? Alright, what do you have to say? Oh right, this is when she gives me the weird Poketch thing. Oh, she also gives me cut. Ooh. That'll be a nice move. I'm gonna give it to Nibbles. Nibbles can learn it instead of tackle. Hello? You gonna give me stuff? Anything in your trash can? No? Do you give me stuff? No. Give me stuff? No. Give me stuff? Nope. Alright, well, that was that. Give me stuff? Okay. Alright, well, I might as well just heal up. More items. You give me stuff? Nope. Okay. Well, it's time to retrain Watt. Some Watt got some training in. To the dream yard. Tally ho! Right, I got teach my Mon's moves. See, if cut's a 50, tackle's also a 50. Yeah, I need it. I need cut. I'll make him forget it later. I'll get some sort of HM slave. Maybe. I'll get some sort of HM slave at some point. So I've gotten pretty attached to Nibbles. No, Bianca, go away. Ooh. Pokemon? Yeah, let's go see inside. I want give me's. Team Plasma here to liberate Pokemon. Team PETA, is that you? No, don't do it. Pokemon wants to be here. Don't decide what it wants. Let it want. Well, I guess we're fighting. Like I said before, so sorry for the lack of commentary, but I am just not in it today. Man, that's not even. Oh, that might be a problem. If I can't, if I can't two-shot it, I can two-shot it. And one portrait down. Oh, that was it? That's all you had? Then why the hell did you use Bide? Alright, fight me. Take you guys on all day. Yeah, I might just make this not like a chill series, or like minimal commentary, maximum just gameplay. It'll be like a walkthrough sort of, but with extra steps. It'd be nice and relaxing like this. We just listen to them talk. If we lost, after the dream missed. Did you just kick it? What's wrong with you? Ugh. Get out of here. Oh my god, that's even worse. Fusion ha! Anyway, sorry for if he forgives us. Oh, so now you're a god. Okay. Oh, you found the baby. Oh, now you're here? Item, gimme. Can I has? I want it. Hey, no. That's my dream missed. You come back with that. I'll cut you. You too, Bianca. No witnesses. Alright, well either way. It's time for an encounter. I'll take a Muna. I wouldn't mind one. No, I don't want another Trat. Good thing I have Dupe's Claws. I'm gonna kill you because I need the money. I mean, I need the experience. I got one! I got a Muna! Echo. Another one shouldn't hurt. Oh no, I'm getting sleepy. Oh yeah, got me a Muna. It's 3 Pokemon right there. Muna always floats in the air. Damn right it does. I'm gonna name her Putt Putt. She looks like a Putt Putt. Welcome to the team, Putt Putt. Bianca, what the hell are you even standing around here for? What could you possibly get out of this place? What's over there? Who knows? It could be anything. Could even be a car. Oh, I got myself a potion. Yeah, these are all pretty useful items, I guess. Alright, well, either way. On to the next route. I'm proud of myself. This playthrough especially is going pretty damn smoothly. Don't. Oh, right. I need to go get like the watch thing from Fennel. But I don't wanna. Alright, give me the watch. You owe me one because you took my dream mist. Did you just go to the PC? What do you even do there? Ooh, fancy. Cool. Wait, no, I didn't mean to. Ah, I don't care. Let me go. I want to get out with my journey. Oh, you're gonna. Well, are you gonna give me stuff? No, I don't want it. That's useless. What's this? Oh, it's just a regular PC. And screw that. Onward we go. Oh, double battle, why not? Double purloin, eh? It's fine, I have me a nibbles. No match for me. Oh, Cheren? Do you want something? Trend to battle? No! That's fine, I can do this, I can take it. Oh no, maybe I can't take it. Alright, Nibbles, you got this one. I was not ready for level 14 Snivy. With Leer, I can't deal with Leer. Sand attack. I can lower its accuracy to death. There we go. Now I just need to leer it back. And then just bite it to death. Never disrespect me again. Not that it did the first time. I just need to hope it doesn't fight back ever. Oh no, it hit. Nibbles, no. Nibbles. God damn it. Okay. Is this just the end? This can't just no. Okay. 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 Well, I'm still in shock. No. I can't hit it with anything. Nothing I do will be effective enough. I'm gonna have to struggle to death. This isn't good, guys. This isn't good. Alright, this is taking a while. I think I'm just gonna speed up this entire part. And there we are. Wow. That was not expected. Well, I was definitely. Oh, I'm just so in shock. I don't even know what to say. 2 of my Pokemon died. No, no, I'm not gonna follow you. Alright, this has been a good place to end off the video. Goodbye, guys. Hopefully, I'll be in a better state. See ya.